In this video, we're going to show you how to use Milkshake. Milkshake is the perfect tool to utilize in your link to create a website for your clients to get to know you and to create and build trust. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize Milkshake. We can add external links, and we can also custom tailor our individual website to our liking by changing the font, the size and boldness of the font. This is a great way to create a mini website for yourself to utilize as a funnel tool so clients can really see how professional and what your work looks like. There are so many options you can use. You can create a links page where you can include a booking link, a link to any online product sales, and also link any of your other social media websites, which is great for cross-promoting over Facebook or any other platforms you like to use. I also like Milkshake because you can put your top picks in, and that could be your favorite products or your favorite looks, and you can make different recommendations. If you have an Amazon page where you are an Amazon affiliate, you can utilize that as well. You can also include different messages for other parts of the website, which are great. Milkshake is very customizable and you can utilize it in so many ways, and it's a free, easy way to set up a professional website for your page. Milkshake is great for sharing to utilize by clicking and sharing your link in your bio, and you can simply copy and paste it and you are ready to go.